Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Busy back in with a brand new video, and today is Monday, so you know we're talking in the markets. We're trying to take whatever profits that it gives to us. So before we jump right into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you can know when a new video drops. And the most important thing, don't forget to join the Telegram channel. It's in the description. Come get the best info, join my live streams, and also make sure that you join the Telegram channel so you can follow my trades every single day. And you don't have to pay anything to join it. It's absolutely free. Hit the link in the description. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Yo, what's up gang? Let's get right into the chart. And as you can see, I already got my chart on. I'm looking at this trend right here, moving upwards. I'm looking here because I'm seeing a nice momentum change starting to happen here. I want to follow this market upwards. But as I've seen starting out, I can see that the market was starting to flip. But at the same time, it hasn't touched support yet. But now it's a very risky time for me to enter. As I can see, the price is being pushed down constantly. Look at how short those candles have been. But I think here, right here, might be a good time to enter. Just a little bit lower. I'm unsure. I don't want to get fooled by this right here. So what I'm thinking right now is definitely looking to enter a put, but I want to see it being closer to this line right here. This is at 1.17712. My bad. I just had something to eat. So I'm definitely thinking about a put. But I was expecting it to hit a little bit higher before we see this momentum drive down. So I might as well just follow that trend easily for 300 for a quick profit. So just sitting and waiting is probably the most difficult game when it comes to doing this. If I could make a video of me like really setting up my trades, it's going to be hours and hours of us just waiting, because it's the hardest thing. Sometimes I'm looking at multiple pairs at once, and that's usually when the video starts. I'm looking at different pairs just because I'm taking my time and I'm like looking for nice little entry points. Same thing here. I've been looking. We've seen a lot of sideways movements in the market. Very difficult to enter into a trade in all of this, but probably very difficult. No clear. I mean, this chart it's a money loser in my mind. We see some consistency somewhere here, but I don't know. Okay, but maybe we can make sense of it a little bit. Okay, let's see. Highest point of the market here. We don't see it create any new highs. We'll say this is the last. We'll say this right here. Let's put a marker there and right here. So right now we're looking at 4 different points. We want to say the markets have been moving up. Now we're seeing it dive in all the way down, right? Market changes right here. But I feel like that is just a fake out, and that market is going to continue to go up. Because we've seen the market touch here, but we don't see it here at all. So if we see this start, we're expecting it to go all the way up, right? That's what we're expecting, but we still see that price being pushed down. I mean, there's nothing here that indicates that the market should be going down. So despite the fact that we think that they should touch support either here or here, we're seeing a situation where the price is being pushed down. And just because like, oh my God, I got my AirPods on this whole time. That's crazy. But it makes you guys know that all of this is happening live. So as we continue to look at the chart, you guys can see right here, the market's going to pull downwards. And I think that this might be a good point for us to follow. I don't want to risk too much money on my guts, but I'm going to put 30 bucks in that. Win or lose, I'm going to take it anyway. So we've got our first trade in. Nice little $295 profit on that. And we'll go back to JPB CAD, where we might start to see I mean, I want to see more downward movement, but still no, as you can see, we haven't hit that point yet. So if I'm playing the long game, I'm probably going to be waiting for it to touch support right here for me to take my profit and make probably a bigger, you know, I could take a little bit more risk when I have the, you know, hit right here. But right here, you see, if most people are looking at the stochastic oscillator, you see we was somewhere around right here when we started. And a lot of people will think that just because stochastic oscillator is down here, it means that this market is going to be down. So we've hit one of our levels here. See that? We ended up in that level. So which means that we're expecting this to continue to go down onto resistance right here. So we might take a little bit more risk here. We're gonna see that price pushed up a little bit. So we pushed past, I think I had one here, and we pushed past that. So it's a possibility that the market recovers just in this, like, let me put a triangle here so you can see. Right here. It's possible that we see a little bit of just because of how the market has been moving, it's possible that we see a little bit of push, but I think the market will continue to go down right here. So I might take a little bit more of risk and enter into this pretty flourish candle. I don't see it being pushed down that much. All right, 4 seconds. I mentioned a little bit earlier, put. I'm expecting that price to push down a little bit. So we're in the money, but barely, as you can see. So barely in the money on that, out of the money already. So euros, USD, you know, one of the pairs that everyone is always trying to make money off of. So as you can see, nice little trade over there with 20 seconds left. So it's not a big profit day, honestly. What is this, like 300 and something? And right here we might make another 300. So about 600 profits, 600 and something. A little something, a little 600, in a couple of minutes. What's that been? 7 minutes. 7 minutes right now we've been on the clock. So I'm gonna take it, you know, going 3 for 3, no losses. Market is looking good. We're able to, you know, use our strategy, bump in, use our indicators, but at the same time use our brains and stuff that we've learned to be able to enter. And that is the best way. That's the way you do it right there. So thank you guys for joining me for another Busy Trade video. If you're looking for the best community where you can learn how to trade, links will be in the description to my Telegram channel. And you not only do you get to learn, you can also see my live trades. And if you want to follow them, that's on you. Links will be in the description. You can follow them, and it's absolutely free. So can't wait to see you next time. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.